So right now, who should be the Prime Minister? Rahul Gandhi or Kharge?
Yeah, I cannot say why. I should not say that.
You are a congressman.
I should say inside the party if I have to say something about it.
What is your opinion? You
No,
don't want to say.
I don't want to comment on that.
काँग्रेस वाले जे बाहेर उलयता about the party, you don't agree with them. You should not go to media with the opinion.
No. It creates confusion.
नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब एक्सप्रेस जजमेंट 2024 ह्या कार्यावळीन आमी आयिल्ले आसा सद्या राय गांवांत आनी आमी मेळटा अशा मनशाक जांणी एका वेळार राजकारण इतलें गाजयलें की ते सेगीत 5 वेळा दक्षिण गोंयांतल्यान निवडून आयले. ते युनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स आशिल्ले. तांची कामां आमी जर लायन काडली जाल्यार अर्दवर ताकाच लागतलें. गोंयचें जें भांगर पोर्तुगालान व्हेल्लें तें तांणी परत हाडलें. गोंयची स्टेटहूड पासून ऑफिशियल लँग्वेज पासून इतले कितलेशेच अचिवमेंट आज जे आमी पळयतात ते तांच्या काळान जाले. आनी हें आमी सांगता कित्याक की खुबश्या यंगर जनरेशनाक ही गजाल खबर ना, ती तांकां खबर आसची म्हणून. आमी मेळपाक आयिल्ले आसा एदुआर्दो फालेरो, युनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स, युनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर स्टेट फॉर एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स, फॉर्मर and longest serving South Goa member of parliament till he was defeated by his own partyman, actually then UGDP man चर्चिल आलेमाव. सर देव बरें करूं, वेळ दिलो म्हणून. तुमचें इंट्रोडक्शन लांब जाता, सो कटिंग इट शॉर्ट. सद्या यू आर दी ओल्डेस्ट काँग्रेस लिडर इन काँग्रेस पार्टी.
ना ओल्डेस्ट म्हणनी म्हणजे हांव पयलोच पळय काँग्रेसमॅन पळय जालो इलेक्टेड. आय वॉज द फर्स्ट. वेन आय वॉज इलेक्टेड टू पार्लियामेंट there has never been any congressman either elected for either parliament, forget about it, either the state assembly or panchayat even, or municipality even. I was the first elected congressman.
So Congress tenure started directly with a member of parliament.
Sargo.
South Goa member of parliament. After that, you held so many positions. You were in Rajiv Gandhi cabinet.
Sargo, yeah.
Union Minister of External Affairs. आताची काँग्रेस आणि तेन्नाची काँग्रेस. Just say something. We want to listen from you.
ना म्हणजे काय म्हणपाक जायना म्हज्यान. काय अशें काय ना. चलता. पूण आतां कितें डेंजरस म्हणजे कितें, नॉट द काँग्रेस द प्रॉब्लेम. द प्रॉब्लेम इज ऑफ द BJP. ते हें पळय केलां. इंडिया इज ए multicultural, multi-religious nation, very strong nation. Everybody feels Indian. पूण कितें, it is very important to maintain this. You see, our nationalism has to be secular, and our socialism also has to be democratic. Secularism, democracy, and nationalism, that should be there.
So what threat you are right now facing?
Right now, मोदी बाबा पळय हांव वळखना ताका.
तुम्ही पर्सनली मेळ्या मोदी?
मेळ्ळे ताका. Who has introduced Mr. Modi to me was Mr. Vajpayee, for whom I have a great regard. I have a great sympathy for Mr. Vajpayee. We were good friends. And Mr. Vajpayee was against extremism. Religious fundamentalism, he was not supportive of that. But he introduced me Mr. Modi when he was the General Secretary of the BJP. Mr. Modi was General. We appeared together in several TV shows. Appeared together.
Political rival असले पण तुम्ही?
कितें?
Political rival. You were Vajpayee's political rival.
पयलीं ऑपोजिशन आशिल्ले आमी. तो पळय प्रायम मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो तेन्ना आमी काँग्रेस ऑपोजिशन आशिल्ले. पूण ते did not affect personal sympathy. No.
BJP जाले, तर Congress for example has gone from one end to another, and she दिसता का it is still the same political party?
I don't see any great difference, no. The same political party. The leaders have changed. Party is the same. It is very important to have the Congress ruling, because Congress is the only party here in India who can bring everybody together. Only party in India. and who can bring this secular nationalism together in this country.
BJP is not secular according
No,
to you.
BJP is not at all secular.
Why do you say that?
And especially Mr. Modi is not secular. Even today, you see, it's just on the newspaper, those who are not Muslims but have come from Pakistan, they can get the Indian nationality. So this approach based on the religion is very dangerous and divisive. Pakistan itself was broken on that differences between Pakistan and Bangladesh. Then now, even now in Pakistan, there's a problem between Sunnis and Shias, and different. There are Pathans and many other Muhajirs and many other different things there,
So
which
these
is a problem for Pakistan itself. Many other countries are suffering. Yugoslavia has suffered on this Christian because of this Christian thing, and now this is broken. Yugoslavia, Serbia, and other parts have come. Then there are like that. There are so many other countries that have been,
so you
damaged
find
by these religious
so you
fundamentalism.
don't buy this CAA argument that those Hindus or other religions which are feeling threatened in places like Pakistan, Afghanistan should be given citizenship
They
here.
should be given. Yeah, that's it. There is no
So
problem.
what is your objection?
My objection is why you are doing it now. You see, and you are giving. Why not the Muslims themselves who have run away from Pakistan?
They also should be given.
Why not?
Everyone should be given according to you.
Everyone here with here in India,
Should be given
if they want, if they want.
if they want.
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस फोर्टिफाइड यानी प्लस एफ साइन। पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस में होते हैं आयरन, कैल्शियम, जिंक, फॉलिक एसिड, विटामिन ए, बी जैसे 9 तरह के मिनरल्स जो देते हैं संपूर्ण पोषण।
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस यानी संपूर्ण पोषण स्वस्थ जीवन। अब घर घर में पंचामृता।
Now tell us more nostalgia, some nostalgia. Many people don't know that you brought Francis Sardin into politics.
Yeah, when you see, I was brought into politics by the United Goans. Then I was with Babu Naik. Then I went to Parliament. When I went to Parliament, I was asked to show who should be the candidate for the Assembly. Kurturin. This was part of, Raia was part of the Kurturin constituency. Who should be? I first contacted his brother of Sardina, who has worked very hard for my election to the Assembly. But he was not here. So आवयन सांगले म्हाका ताणें तो गेलो खंय गांवांत ते वचून गोरवां हाडपाक
Huh.
outside agriculture, outside Goa. आनी देन फांकुनाक कित्याक करना म्हणून फांकून म्हणलं फ्रांसीस सार्दिना फांकून म्हणटाले why don't you make him? And then I suggested Sardina. I was asked.
You saw graph of Congress right now. If you see the graph of Congress in Goa, it went to a peak, and then it fell down.
Yeah.
Now you go to see whoever is getting elected on Congress ticket, somehow majority of them are joining BJP.
Which is a very yeah.
Bad, good. Do
Yeah.
want to comment?
No, I think that when you are elected on a particular party, you should continue in that party unless you resign from the party and contest on the next
Next elections.
next party. Yeah.
But break away, because you have a history of breaking away from the UG and creating another group.
No, we didn't break away from the UG. UGP was there, United Goa. Babu Naik was our leader. He came out of the UGP. We had a separate group of UGP. And then we went into Congress.
Okay.
Whole party went in Congress, not individually.
Whole party.
Whole party. Whole party, yes.
You ever, right now, even when we are sitting here,
Ji.
this is part of Nuhe constituency, if
Yeah.
I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
Alex Iquera got elected on Congress ticket.
yeah,
He joined BJP.
yeah.
You ever spoke to Alex and told, Baba, you are a congressman all this while, tu karta kide kaun? What are you doing?
No, I have not discussed this matter with him.
You have retired from politics.
Yeah.
You don't want to get involved into politics.
No, I don't get involved. I don't get involved means I take great interest, but on individuals I don't get.
Some people don't retire from politics.
Yeah.
Was it very difficult for you to decide ki आता नाका मका?
No. It was not difficult. Well, you have to see how much you can do. I can't do that now. So that's it.
अच्छा, it
I
was
can't go to the assembly, come back, run around the constituency all the time, which has to be done. But I cannot do it now.
was it very difficult for you retirement म्हणजे heavy heart ki baba I am retiring from active politics?
No, it was not difficult. I think it was natural that at a particular stage of life, if you can't do a job, you don't do it and you retire.
Let others do it.
Well,
Ajay. Okay, so back to right now alliance केला Congress with other political parties.
why?
India alliance केला,
Why?
India bloc केला.
Why?
Is it right?
It is right because BJP main concern of the country is there with the BJP. BJP has to be defeated. How to defeat? The only way is everybody getting together, who believes in the need to defeat this type of communal nationalism. Nationalism has to be secular, involve everybody, take everybody. Otherwise, country will go on suffering. Country will go on suffering. Will get fight. Their fights will go on and on.
Who was responsible for rise of BJP, sudden rise of BJP?
Sudden आता सद्याक म्हणटा sudden Modi has a major role now, na. He has a major role.
Or failure of Congress to keep the power was the reason why BJP is becoming strong day by day.
I can't say that. See, I knew Vajpayee. Mr. Vajpayee was a leader of the BJP, was the prime minister, but he was very different from Mr. Modi. He would take everybody together and strengthen India, which is not the case now.
हांगा local unit काँग्रेसीचे आसा पळय politics.
Why?
You are in touch with them, you are guiding them.
No, I am in touch with generally. I'm not guiding them, but when they consult me, I give my views.
त्यांचे सध्या जे पॉलिटिक्स चलता तेजेर what is your comment? They are soft, they are okay.
And आता पळय sometimes it was not very active. Now it's doing well now. It's become activated. It's activated, yeah.
इलेक्शन लागीं पावले की ॲक्टिवेट जाता ते.
ते इलेक्शन लागीं पावलें म्हूण न्ही तेजे पयलीं पळय एक्टिवेट जाल्ले. हय.
सो यू आर हॅपी.
या इज गुड.
वॉट इज युअर गायडन्स म्हणजे तुमचं हें कितें टीप कितें आसतलें हाव टू विन दीस इलेक्शन?
How to win these elections?
बोथ सीट्स नॉर्थ एंड साउथ.
It's keep people together. All should work together.
And how do you convince people to vote for Congress?
By this way that if you don't work together, you will break away. The country will suffer. The country will break on these type of policies, communal politics. Country will break. And then what is it? India has a tremendous chance of coming to the very top of the world. But we have to be together. And the religion, keep it aside. Whether it is the Hindu, whether it is Muslim, whether it is the Christian, this conversion business has to stop. Don't go on converting other people to other religion, to your own religion, because all religions have to be equally respected.
So you are in support of anti-conversion bill.
Yes.
But Congress is not in support, if I am not wrong.
ना म्हणजे अँटी कन्वर्जन बिल आता केन्ना कोणें काडल्या
There is thought for anti-conversion bill.
हे म्हाका पळय दिसता की अँटी conversion is not a good thing. Trying to convert other people to your own religion, whatever that religion may be, इज नॉट गुड.
आमी पळयलें एक 22चे इलेक्शन जालें पळय रिसंटली,
हय.
तेतून खुबशे काँग्रेसीचे लायक मायंडेड पार्टीजूय हांगा आयले. आम आदमी पार्टी आयली, भितर एक TMC आयली आनी आमी पळयलें खुबशे जे काँग्रेसमॅन आशिल्ले, सिनियर काँग्रेसमॅन आशिल्ले, दोज हू वॉज स्वेरिंग बाय काँग्रेस लायक लुईझीन फलेरो, they left the party and joined TMC. Was it a right decision or you think it
I
was
don't want to comment on my colleague.
not on particular person, but emergence of TMC in Goa when already Congress is existing, that might end up into split
I
of
don't
vote.
think CMC is much in existence in Goa at the moment.
Congress leader just joined zale tanka, what do you want to say?
I don't want to comment, but I think the Congress has to be in Goa. It is more essential, and in the country to strengthen the Congress party.
They have to be together.
Congress has to be strong.
Infighting ahat.
Infighting is there everywhere, in every party, everywhere. In any organization is always there. Yeah.
तुमच्या टायमार आशिल्ले त्या टायमाचे
आशिल्लें जातलें. पण तितलें हें नाशिल्लें कितें पब्लिसिटी नाशिल्ली.
भायर कळनाशिल्ले,
ना.
मिडिया तितली हे
नाशिल्ली.
कॅरी करनाशिल्ली
ना.
दिसता. सो तुमचो रायवल कोण आशिल्लो विदीन द पार्टी?
Within the party, I don't think.
कोण तरी आसतलो जेका तुमी आवडना, जेंका जो तुमकां आवडना बी असो?
आतां म्हाका याद ना. मनान ना.
लॉंग बॅक इट वॉज.
सांगता येता. Yeah.
What is your, you have any regret in politics that आपूण जर कंटिन्यू केलें जाल्यार आपूण हें करता आसलो, I left this halfway?
No. I did whatever I could. I did with a lot of commitment to my work. I was working for the Congress party. I was working for Goa. I was working for the country. There was no ulterior motives in that. Other things were secondary for me, not important.
You brought the gold back from Portugal.
हय.
Goan's gold back from
Had to
Portugal.
का-
Tell us about that.
कितें म्हणटा ना तें करूंक पडलें कित्याक ताणें हांगासान गोल्ड दे हॅड टेकन पोर्चुगीज हॅड टेकन द गोल्ड वी हॅड टू टेक इट एंड देर वॉज देन द बँक नॅशनल उत्तरामारीन एकूच बँक आशिल्लो आनी ताचे हाजेर बरें म्हणल्यार वन ब्रांच इन मडगांव वन ब्रांच इन पणजी आनी म्हापश्यां कडेन आशिल्लो म्हाका याद ना. You see, there were no more banks in Goa. When I became Minister of State for Finance, I brought all these banks here. Now, everywhere, every village, I think, there is at least one bank.
Yeah.
पहिले नाशिल्लेच. हय. So these are the part of things.
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस जिसके पैकेट में होगा +F साइन। इसमें होते हैं आयरन, जिंक, फॉलिक एसिड, विटामिन ए, बी जैसे 9 तरह के मिनरल्स जो देते हैं तुम्हें संपूर्ण पोषण।
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस, संपूर्ण पोषण, स्वस्थ जीवन। अब घर घर में पंचामृता।
तर पोर्तुगाल आणि गोंयच्या बद्दल उलयता आसतना देर इज ऑल्सो थिंकींग की आमी आतां खूब पोर्तुगीज पासपोर्ट दिला, गोंयकार गेला, आतां म्हणटा की पोर्तुगीज एम्बसी मायट से की बाबा पुरो पोर्तुगीज कॉन्सुलेट मायट से की पुरो आतां आनी तुमकां दिना म्हणून. दॅट शूड बी स्टॉप फॉर गिवींग एनी मोर गोवन्स
ते कित्याक पासपोर्ट घेता नॉट आउट ऑफ लव फॉर पोर्तुगाल. They get it because to get jobs in Portugal and in Europe and elsewhere, which is much more easy with the European passport than with an Indian passport. So that is the thing.
So it should continue or stop giving more passports.
I cannot comment on that because I don't suffer the way those who seek this passport feel. But citizenship is a very precious thing. It's not just some document. Means it's like your family. Your nation is like your family. Now you can't belong to two families. You can't drop your family.
So dual citizenship तुम्ही सपोर्ट करता काय सपोर्ट करना?
Dual citizenship, I have not thought about this issue. But I think strongly that citizenship is not just some document. It's a commitment. Commitment to a nation. But I also understand why they seek do other passports It's because of jobs and such type of thing.
दे से की आमकां वचपाचें नासता पूण हांगा जॉब ना काय ना सो वी आर
देखूनच
फोर्स टू डू दिस
that maybe.
सो तुमी सिम्पथायज करता तांच्या बरोबर
Yeah.
मॅनी पीपल आय थिंक इवन फ्रॉम युअर विलेज हॅव लेफ्ट
Right.
एब्रॉड
Right.
कोणाक गोंय सोडपाचें नासता पूण जॉबा खातीर सोडपाचें
हय.
आसता सो यू सिम्पथायज विथ देम
I sympathize with them, but solution has to be found. Your commitment to your country, that is India, is a country of ours. That is in our blood. That cannot be dropped.
सो युअर लॉयल्टी इज टुवर्ड्स गांधी फॅमिली रायट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग
To
in
Gandhi,
Congress.
I have been, yeah.
So in
Not to
that
the
way,
family,
this,
not to the family, but to the individuals.
so this,
My great thing was, I will tell you, was when I contested for Lok Sabha election. तेन्ना आशिल्ली Indira Gandhi had broken, was separated at that time. But she came and supported me, gave a speech here in my support. So I had, why did she give a speech? Because when I was in parliament, my first decision, Indira Gandhi had been left the parliament, had been broken. Tanjigida had some separate organization. She had lost the election. Then she won the election from Karnataka, somewhere in Karnataka, and came to parliament. When she came to parliament, the ruling party said she should be expelled, thrown out of parliament. And in my own party to which I belonged, that was at that time, the Congress was at that time, Congress with Shankar Rao Jawan, he was the leader, I think. They supported this, that she should be thrown out also of parliament. But I, young MP, stood up and said she should not be thrown out of parliament. She should continue in parliament. She has won the election, she should continue. I think she never forgot that. And she always supported me. She supported me then for my own election, the subsequent election. She came here. She had a candidate for North Goa, but South Goa she said, I'm supporting Eduardo Faleiro. In a public meeting like that, supported. But I had, that was the situation. And then it went on.
so right now, who should be the prime minister, Rahul Gandhi or Kharge?
Yeah, I cannot say why. I should not say that.
You are a congressman.
I should say inside the party if I have to say something about it.
What is your opinion? You
No,
don't want
no.
to say.
I don't want to comment on that.
काँग्रेसवाले जे भायर उलयता about the party, you don't agree with them. You should not go to media with the opinion.
No. It creates confusion.
Creates confusion.
Well, definitely. And will damage the party. They have to be decided inside, then come out with one solution.
Last question. Both elections, North Goa and South Goa, who will win?
Not go South Goa will win. South Goa has always been a Congress stronghold. Should win. In North Goa, Congress has won some time also.
Long back.
Yeah, long back. But I'm quite confident South Goa we will win. North Goa, we should try to.
Sripad Naik broke your record. You were 5 times. Sripad Naik also got elected 5 times. But your tenure was little less because there were frequent elections. So you think Sripad Naik will be able to win for the 6th time?
It is possible. It is possible. He's a good person also. He's done well. Yeah, he's done well as a minister also. Yeah.
Congress should try. To defeat.
Congress has to try to defeat him. Has to try. It's part of the Congress.
ह्या आशिल्ले एडवर्ड फालेरो ते म्हणटा मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स ही सेड अबाउट पार्टी शूड बी डिस्कस विदीन द पार्टी नॉट आउटसायड द पार्टी एंड दॅट इज अ मेसेज टू एवरी वन जे भायर येवन कितें कितें उलयता ताका लागून आमचे इंटरव्यू थोडे कमी जातले पीपल कम एंड गीव अस इंटरव्यूज अगेन्स्ट द पार्टी ते कमी जातले डोंट मायंड विथ सो सेकंडली ते म्हणटा की तुमी पळयतात हब एक्सप्रेस जजमेंट 2024 कीप वॉचिंग